Today we'll be comparing two models of earthquake-safe structures using marshmallows, spaghetti noodles, tape, and two notebooks. First, I cut my spaghetti noodles in half. I used spaghetti noodles and marshmallows to create a 2x2 structure. For the first model, I used one spaghetti noodle between my marshmallows to resemble a non-reinforced model. For the second model, I added more reinforcement by using two spaghetti noodles, adding diagonal support. This activity allows us to compare the sturdiness of one non-reinforced model with another reinforced model to better understand how and why it's necessary to strengthen structures to resist collapse. Once again, we are in an earthquake-prone state and country. It should be known that earthquakes do not kill people, but buildings do. Hopefully, we can all take the appropriate steps to prepare for the inevitable to minimize casualties with the information we know about earthquakes and the effectiveness of building reinforcements to prevent collapse.